it is misfiring. So let's check the plug. Okay, the plug mouth is too close. The plug mouth is too close, so we have to open it small. Probably it is why the gen is misfiring, so we will have to open the plug mouth. All right, so let me get something and open the plug mouth. Not too open, not too close, not too open, not too close. So guess it's too open. I've shut it down. Okay, it's okay like this. It's okay like this. So let me put it back and start it again. Let me put it back and start it again.